What's going on, guys? So today we're actually gonna go ahead and install the fog lights on Tigger. We got both trucks right here. Right now we'll move this one inside and we're gonna try to install the fog lights. Hopefully we install them right. They should be an easy process. I just gotta go get a button and that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the fog light wiring I got for the truck. This has the relay and everything, has a little fuse on it as well to make it look as OEM as possible. So we're gonna go ahead, take out the fuse box, and we're gonna go ahead and look for the fog fuse, which will be behind here. It'll tell you everything, and then we'll go off from there. So first thing first, disconnect your battery because we will be messing with the fuse box to connect these fog lights, so make sure you guys disconnect it. Okay guys, so once taking out your guys' fuse box, you guys can see all the little connections here. So we take out this one, which you guys can see it's the left one. There's a empty hole right here, right there. You guys can see it. That's the only empty hole next to the green one. We're gonna go ahead and put the little connection there, which is this guy. We're gonna put it in there and make sure it's nice and sturdy in there. All right, so after putting the fuse box all back, make sure you ground it. I grounded it right here. I'm gonna be extending these wires because I didn't want the actual module to be really far down there, or the fuse. So I'm gonna just extend the actual wires to the fog lights so they can reach all the way to the passenger and driver side. After that, this button should be able to be a light switch, which obviously doesn't work right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and then see. Okay guys, so like I said, there's a little cover right here, which is the cover right here. Take it off. I'm gonna go ahead, take out this piece, which is that. Take it off and then try to fit the other one. Here, this is the old one, you see, and then this is the new one. That's the fog light button right there. And now we're just gonna go ahead, connect the battery back in and actually test it. Alright guys, so since I connected everything, before I actually put them inside where they're supposed to go, I'm gonna go ahead and test them and I'll show you guys if they work or not. So let's go ahead, come over here. I have the truck just on, open, so I have power. I'm gonna press this button. That shows that the fog lights are on. Look at that. They are on. Work now. Now we're gonna go ahead and put them where they're supposed to go. Okay guys, so since I didn't buy the actual OEM connection, I bought an aftermarket one. I had to extend my wiring so it could fit all the way down there. So if you buy an OEM one, you won't have this problem, but since I thought I was just gonna connect it ghetto, I went with an aftermarket wiring housing. So I had to do what I had to do to actually make it work. And yeah, so okay guys, so now we are finished with the actual fog light. We have it running all on the backfire right there into my battery, and then of course it goes down into the fog lights. I made it as clean as I can. This was a pretty fast job, nothing too hard. We got the fog lights all in right now. Gonna turn them on.
Down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a big boy with dolly, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a comeback.
Alright guys, that was the last of the install for the fog lights. It was a great turnout. Probably the best little mod you could do. It didn't take me that long. Of course I was recording, so it took me a bit longer, but it's not a very long process. You guys can do it easily. You guys seen it rolling. It looks very, very good. I recommend to anybody that doesn't have fogs to do this install. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Rescue me. Take me out the club. Take me out the trap. Take me off the market.